Welcome to the dark side of industrial waste, where millions of wooden pallets lie abandoned in massive graveyards, forgotten and left to rot under gray skies. But today, these forgotten relics are about to undergo a radical transformation, driven by the power of Industry 4.0 and advanced robotic engineering systems. Our journey begins with the mechanical selection process as giant precision grippers lift each piece of waste with incredible accuracy, ready for the first stage. Safety and purity are paramount here. Powerful electromagnets pull every rusty nail and metal fragment out of the wood, ensuring a clean slate for processing. The cleaned timber moves steadily along steel conveyors, heading toward the heart of the facility, where light and code will soon determine their ultimate fate. Inside the laser tunnel, the high-speed scanners map the internal structure of every plank, creating a digital twin that reveals every hidden flaw and structural detail. Artificial intelligence processes thousands of data points per second, deciding which fibers are strong enough for luxury furniture and which must be discarded immediately. The rejection is swift and decisive. Any wood showing signs of deep rot or structural instability is purged from the line by powerful pneumatic actuators. Only the finest specimens remain, moving forward to be broken down into their fundamental components, ready to be reborn as high-performance, sustainable materials. The result is a pure, white cascade of high-quality wood fibers, stripped of their past and ready to form the foundation of something truly extraordinary. This isn't just recycling, it is a total molecular reconstruction of a wasted resource, turning trash into a highly engineered material for the modern world. Every gram of fiber is accounted for, tracked by a network of sensors that ensure the raw material meets the strict standards of luxury manufacturing. The fibers are cleaned and dried to a specific moisture content, creating a uniform substance that outperforms traditional solid wood in every technical metric. As the first stage concludes, we witness the end of the waste era and the beginning of a high-tech resurrection in our smart facility. Welcome to the future of circular economy, where artificial intelligence and advanced robotics turn the world's waste into the treasures of tomorrow's homes. Step into the heart of the operation, a high-tech laboratory where the environment is controlled to perfection to ensure the highest material quality possible. At the microscopic level, nano-sprayers coat every single fiber with a specialized waterproof resin, creating a bond that is virtually indestructible and moisture-proof. This nano-bonding process ensures that the final boards will never warp, swell, or rot, even in the most demanding and humid household environments imaginable. The mixture is perfectly homogenized, ensuring that there are no weak spots or air pockets in the material that could compromise its future structural integrity. Enter the titan of the factory, the high-pressure thermal press, a machine capable of exerting thousands of tons of force to fuse the fibers. As the plates descend, intense heat and extreme pressure work in tandem to transform a loose pile of fibers into a dense, rock-hard wooden slab. The pressure is immense, compacting the material to a density that far exceeds natural oak or teak, creating a core that is incredibly strong. As the curing process nears completion, excess moisture is vented out as steam, leaving behind a board that is stable, dry, and perfectly flat. Quality control is handled by robots using ultrasonic waves at peering deep inside the board to ensure the density is perfectly uniform across every single square inch. The data doesn't lie. Each board receives a digital certificate of quality, confirming its resistance to water, fire, and the passage of time itself. These aren't just boards. They are the high-performance building blocks of a new era, engineered to last for generations without ever losing their shape. Precision is our signature. Every edge is laser cut to sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring that when these pieces meet, they fit together with absolute seamless perfection. From a mountain of waste to a warehouse of high-tech phantoms, the transformation is nearly complete as we prepare for the design phase of production. The texture is dense and smooth, providing a perfect canvas for the final finishes that will turn these industrial slabs into high-end decorative masterpieces. Efficiency meets excellence in this continuous cycle of creation, yet proving that sustainable manufacturing can outperform traditional methods in both speed and quality. It is harder than traditional wood, more durable than plastic, and entirely eco-friendly, representing the pinnacle of modern material science and industrial engineering. This is the heart of the revolution, where technology turns the discarded into the desired, setting a new standard for the global furniture industry. With the core created, we move to the brain of the operation, where artificial intelligence takes the lead in designing your future living space. Welcome to the Design Lab, where the physical world meets the digital realm to create spaces that are both beautiful and highly functional. Our designers start by scanning real-world spaces, capturing every dimension and imperfection to create a perfect digital twin of the customer's home environment. The point cloud data is processed instantly, allowing our AI to understand the geometry of the room better than any traditional measuring tape ever could. Watch as the old world fades away. Our AI algorithms analyze the space and begin to propose layouts that maximize every single inch of available area. Design is now a collaborative effort between human intuition and machine precision, ensuring that ergonomics and aesthetics are perfectly balanced in every piece. Customers can visualize their choices in real time, experimenting with textures and colors that were once just waste in a junkyard but are now luxury finishes. The AI considers human movement, light sources, and utility, optimizing the furniture placement to create a living space that feels natural and effortlessly comfortable. Once the design is finalized, the system automatically deconstructs the furniture into its component modules, preparing the digital instructions for the factory floor. Each part is assigned a unique digital identity, a QR code that will guide it through the manufacturing process with total traceability and accuracy. The entire blueprint is stored in the cloud, ready to be sent to the CNC machines that will bring these digital dreams into reality. Augmented reality allows us to verify the fit before a single cut is made, ensuring that the final product will integrate perfectly into the home. Intricate carvings and custom patterns are added with the click of a button, allowing for a level of customization that was previously impossible. The contrast is breathtaking. We take the chaos of an old room and apply the order of intelligent design to create a masterpiece. With a final confirmation, the data is sent. The digital world has done its job. Now it is time for the machines to build. The factory awakens. The instructions are clear, the materials are ready, and the precision of 5-axis machining is about to take a center stage. But this is the synergy of the modern age, where the architect is an AI and the builder is a robot working for a greener planet. From pixels to physical form, the journey of transformation continues as we move into the precision machining phase of our process. Precision machining begins here. The 5-axis CNC router is the ultimate craftsman, capable of moving with fluid grace and surgical accuracy in every direction. Diamond-tipped tools slice through the ultra-dense material like butter, creating intricate joinery and beautiful patterns that would take a human master years to perfect. The machine never tires and never makes a mistake. It follows the AI's blueprints to the micron, ensuring every joint is a perfect interference fit. As each piece emerges, it is ready for assembly. There is no need for manual sanding or correction. The machine's finish is already flawless. In the assembly zone, humans and robots work side by side. These cobots handle the heavy lifting, while the human touch ensures the soul of the piece. Our furniture uses advanced interlocking joints that require no nails or screws. This creates a cleaner look and a much stronger, more durable structural bond. Finishing is done in a controlled environment. Nano paints are applied by specialized robots, creating a surface that is both beautiful and resistant to all scratches. Though the core is recycled, the surface can mimic any wood species in the world, from rare mahogany to classic oak, with a stunningly realistic detail. The factory hums with the sound of progress as waste wood is transformed into high-end furniture that will soon grace the world's most luxurious homes. Traceability is maintained until the very end. We know exactly which bayrak the original fibers came from and which home they are heading to now. The final polish brings out the inner glow of the material, a testament to the fact that beauty can be engineered from the most humble beginnings. A human oversight remains the final gatekeeper. We ensure that every piece leaving the factory is a masterpiece of both technology and traditional craftsmanship. Packaging is as sustainable as the product itself. Everything is optimized to reduce waste and ensure that your new furniture arrives in perfect condition. From the scrap heap to the shipping dock, the journey of the waste wood is almost over, but its new life as a luxury item is just beginning. The physical transformation is complete. Now, let's see how these pieces perform in the ultimate testing ground, the modern luxury home. The transformation is absolute. This high-end living space was once nothing more than a pile of discarded pallets and industrial waste wood. The touch is warm and organic, indistinguishable from the finest solid timber, yet it possesses a durability that nature alone could never provide. You witness the power of nanotechnology. The lotus effect ensures that liquids can never penetrate the surface, making accidental spills a thing of the past. The contrast is the ultimate proof of our mission. We have taken the world's burden and turned it into its most beautiful asset. Our materials are non-toxic and safe for the whole family. providing a healthy environment where the next generation can grow and thrive. This is the culmination of AI design and robotic precision, a home that is perfectly tailored to the needs and desires of its inhabitants. We are proving that industry and nature can coexist. By recycling waste, we protect our forests and reduce our carbon footprint for a better world. Sustainability is no longer a choice, it is a responsibility. Every piece of furniture we create is a step toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. Behind the robots and the AI are people with a vision to transform the way we live and the way we treat our planet. And thank you for joining us on this journey from the scrap heap to the sanctuary. Together, we are building a world that lasts.